Meaning of exasperate.
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 Exasperate. The term exasperate refers to a feeling of intense irritation or annoyance caused by someone's behavior or an event. It can also relate to making a situation or problem worse than it originally was. When a person or thing exasperates another, it can lead to anger, frustration, and stress. The result of this feeling can be harmful, with negative consequences possibly causing damage to relationships or emotional well-being. In extreme cases, it may even escalate to physical harm or violence. Overall, exasperation leads to negative outcomes that can have long-lasting effects on individuals and society as a whole.